everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 25th to the 29th of July 2022 on Monday. Nkunzi makes a surprise appearance at the Magwaza homestead. Meanwhile, Nonka makes a confusing discovery about her boyfriend, while Flavia worries about the controversial guest they have on their lineup on Tuesday. When Kwanda organizes a lavish surprise party, everyone thinks he's going to propose, especially with evangelist Bishop and Pope Mbata present. Hlelo takes her shot at Nkunzi live on air on Wednesday. Nkunzi's action rile Kapsile up the wrong way, while Njinji discovers information about Mamba that just give her migraines. Kwanda succeeds in elevating all of Nonka's concern. Mbata continues his search for a wife on Thursday. Nkunzi tells Kapsile he is not going to her luncheon. Viga wants to know what secret Nomaswazi is keeping. Mbata wakes up stranded at the beach on Friday. Nomaswazi has a great idea on how the family can pay the debt collectors for time being. Hlezipi is adamant that Nonka and Kwanda are drug dealers. Hlelo and Jeza have an agreement. What happens on the sea stays on the sea. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.